Product unpacking and installation. Take out to forks. Take out and insert one straddle leg. Take out and insert the other. Adjust width and tighten bolts diagonally. Open battery compartment and connect power. Turn on the power. Place two forks in front of the fork carriage. Raise the fork carriage to the appropriate installation height. Remove the screws from the fork carriage. Release the fork positioning pin. Install forks and slide into the desired position, then engage the pin. Reinstall the screws. Product operation. Power on. Press lift button to raise forks. Press lower button to lower forks. Push down on the handle and rotate accelerator knob to move forward or back. Press horn button to activate the buzzer. Press turtle button and rotate accelerator knob to move in tight space. The stacker will reverse when the emergency reverse button is pressed against the body. The stacker will stop immediately when the handle is flat. The stacker will stop immediately when the handle is upright. The air spring gently returns the handle, protecting it.